Welcome to Busy Bride 101, wedding planning tips for the bride on the go. And I'm your host, Lisa G. McMillan, wedding and event planner at Exquisite Events and Consulting. Over the years, I've created incredible weddings focusing on the couple's unique style and personalities. And with every episode, I'll provide straightforward ideas and candid advice to inspire you as you plan a fun and heartfelt wedding loaded with unforgettable memories for years to come. Here's today's episode. Planning during the holidays. Stress levels may veer into overload between the months of November and December. Family gatherings during those months have the potential to bring on unwanted pressures of feeling overwhelmed or doubts of not knowing all the answers regarding your wedding. Don't get on that bus to Crazy Town. Hop on Lover's Lane and don't look back. Here are a few suggestions to get through those moments of interrogation. Inquiries. Tip number 1. Realize that you control how much information to divulge. When you're asked, "When are you getting married?" or "You haven't selected the specific date yet?" just let them know that you and your fiancé are still considering dates, but are enjoying the bliss of being engaged. Then politely excuse yourself as you walk away. Tip number 2. When one of your friends comes up to you and says, "Oh, so you're going to include me as one of your bridesmaids, right?" Unless the answer is a resounding yes, just say it's the next big item on your to-do list and you want to be conscientious about the expense, time, and effort it may bear on everyone. Tip number 3. Everyone wants to see the ring, so before you begin showing off your sparkly circle of ice, invest in a good manicure before the family gathering. Let me be extremely frank right now, because others may not tell you. I'm here to tell you. Moisturizer and a nail file are an engaged person's secret weapon. Dry and ashy hands will be the conversation when they tell the story, not the size or the glow of your ring. So grab a small nail file and travel size hand lotion and keep them close by. Tip number 4. Use your time during your family gatherings to listen and learn. Be proactive and ask about treasured traditions from the past, or if there are vintage photos of your family that you could see. Here's a way to seize the moment. When they show you those photos, also ask if you can take a picture of that photo with your camera phone. Oh yes, I said it is a camera phone. You would not believe how this one act can revive sweet memories of the past. Maybe you're lucky enough to accumulate a collection of wedding day photos as far back as your great-grandparents. Oh, to be so lucky. Later in the planning process, print and frame the hard copies and display those keepsakes on a table near the gifts at your reception. How heartwarming is that? Tip number 5. Keep a watchful eye for family dynamics. Okay, let's think about this one. Who seems to be drinking more than you remember? Or who's grinning wider than usual? Who hasn't said a word all night? These questions may sound trivial, but these are clues so that you can casually ask more questions. If anything, the answers will help when developing your seating chart. On a serious note, please don't fall in the trap of feeling the need to have all the answers at a moment's notice, because planning your wedding is filled with unknowns and TBDs, to be determined. This is the time to enjoy each precious moment with people who really matter the most to you. Sit back and listen. You just may learn something. Thanks for listening to Busy Bride 101, wedding planning tips for the bride on the go. To keep up with us and learn more tips, visit our website at www.exquisiteevents.info and on Instagram at Exquisite Events Consulting. Subscribe to get notified of new episodes and share with your friends. always remember, your wedding is for the two of you.